Where do correct ideas come from? Correct ideas come from interaction with incorrect ideas. It's the
Yes.
struggle between ideas out of which correct ideas emerge. And this does not happen on the internet because, of course, with chatbots, everything is cobbled together, cut, spliced, and simply glued together with scotch tape, masquerading as an essay. So with fact checking, I think it's going to be different because unless we do fact checking, the politicians will get involved,
Yes.
and this is going to be a real mess. So I would hope that the industry does fact checking by itself rather than having politicians do it.